Welcome back to AW Technologies. In today's video, we're diving into Smallppt, your ultimate AI tool for creating stunning presentations in minutes. I'll show you step by step how to create a complete AI PowerPoint presentation using Smallppt, fast, smart, and effortless. First, let's start by adding a title. Your title sets the direction for your entire presentation. Next, we'll select an AI model. Smallppt gives you access to cutting-edge technologies like GPT-5 and Gemini 2.5, ensuring powerful, high-quality content generation every time. Now it's time to customize. You can choose the number of slides, select a specific use case, and even pick from 19 different languages. Once your setup is ready, simply click Generate to create your slideshow outline. And in just seconds, your entire structure appears, clear, organized, and ready to go. And the best part, you can edit or modify your outline at any time to fit your unique needs. Now, click Generate My Presentation and choose a template. You can also try the brand new feature, Themes. With themes, you can instantly create slides with consistent styles across all slides. Here's what makes it powerful. You can build your own presentation style by choosing colors, fonts. You can upload your company logo and brand colors to automatically create an on-brand theme. The system intelligently adjusts the design based on your content for a more professional, cohesive look. Once customized, you can apply your theme to the entire presentation after generating with a single click. In short, with Smallppt's themes, you can design your presentation style just like building your own brand. Personalized, consistent, and professional. Pick from ready-made designs or customize your own and watch your slides transform instantly. Smallppt offers a variety of styles perfect for business, education, and creative projects. Just pick your favorite design or theme, and boom! Your complete AI-generated PowerPoint presentation is ready almost instantly. With Smallppt, creating professional slideshows has never been faster, easier, or more efficient. Visit smallppt.com and experience the magic for yourself. Got a PDF and need it in PowerPoint format? No problem. You can convert your PDF to PowerPoint in just 2 minutes using Smallppt's AI engine. Simply upload your file. Smallppt supports over 10 common file types, including PDFs and even audio files. Before generating, you can set the number of slides, the tone, and the language of your presentation to perfectly match your report or business setting. If you don't like a section, just delete or modify it. Then select your favorite template or theme. Watch as AI instantly transforms your PDF into a professional presentation. And your full presentation is ready in minutes. Rich in content, visually appealing, time-saving. With Smallppt, you can also generate AI-powered mind maps. Just type the topic of your mind map, click Generate, and let the AI organize your ideas into a visually stunning map. Once it's ready, click Save as Image to download your mind map instantly. Perfect for brainstorming sessions, lectures, or creative projects. And that's how easy it is to create powerful presentations, convert PDFs to PowerPoint, generate mind maps, and even design consistent styles using themes, all with one intelligent AI tool, Smallppt. Say goodbye to hours of manual work, and hello to instant creativity with smallppt.com. Try it today and make your next presentation smarter, faster, and more creative. Here's an exclusive gift for my followers. Enjoy a long-term 20% off using my special discount code at checkout. And for Black Friday, Smallppt is giving you an even bigger deal. Use the code BFSPPT between November 24th and November 30th to get a limited time 30% off. So what are you waiting for? Visit smallppt.com, create your first AI-powered PowerPoint, and experience presentation magic powered by AI.